Hi there, welcome back. In earlier episodes of Yield Nerd, I've often compared a growth investment to a tiny lobster that then becomes a giant overcoming adversities. If this example doesn't ring a bell, I encourage you to go back and look at some of the earlier episodes on the philosophy of growth and income investing. You should know that I cheer you on. I want all your growth investments to become giant lobsters. That's a great plan A. But what is your plan B? Yield investing or income investing should be your plan B. The plan B that both Republicans and Democrats like just as much. For really bad dad jokes like this and others that your teenager is guaranteed to not laugh with you, listen to the shorts I have made for you.